Gasbuddy is a free app that helps drivers save money by finding the cheapest gas station or prices nearby. It crowdsources data from millions of users, so showing real-time fuel prices and even offering payment card that gives additional discounts. The pros are clear. It is free, it is widely used, and can save you a few pesos or dollars every fill up. It also has trip cost calculators and alerts for price spikes. The cons are that reported prices aren't always accurate. The app shows ads and the payment card requires linking your bank account, which some users find risky. So gas body is worth it if you want to consistently save on the fuel and don't mind ads or occasional inaccuracies. But if you prefer simplicity and privacy, you may want to leave it.